Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to install OpenCV on Windows and Mac. OpenCV is the library that makes computer vision projects possible. Things like face detection, object tracking, gesture control, even AI painters. But before you can build anything, you need to install it properly. Don't worry, it's easier than making Maggi noodles and it works on both Windows and Mac. Let's start with Windows. Step 1. Open your command prompt. If you don't know how, just type cmd in the search bar. Step 2. Make sure Python is installed. You can check by typing the words python -version. If you don't see a version number, go install Python first from the official python.org website. And coming to step 3, type the magic command pip install opencv-python. Press enter and let it do its job. That's it, and the base library is installed. But sometimes you also need extra features like video support. In that case, you also install pip install opencv-contrib-python. That gives you the full toolbox. After installation, you can check it by opening Python and typing import cv2 and then print open bracket cv2 dot _ version _ close bracket. If it prints a version number, congratulations, you have got OpenCV running. Now, let's talk Mac. Step 1. Open your terminal. Step 2. Check Python with the words Python 3 version. Most Macs already come with Python 3, but if not, install from the official site or using Homebrew. Step 3. Type pip 3 install opencv-python, and if you want the extra goodies, type pip 3 install opencv-contrib-python, same as before. Check it by importing cv2 and printing the version. Now let's be honest. Sometimes the installation throws errors. If you see those scary red messages, don't panic. Usually it just means you need to upgrade pip. To do that, type pip install -- upgrade pip. Then run the installation command again. So the full recipe is simple. On Windows, pip install opencv-python. On Mac, pip 3 install opencv-python. And then check by importing cv2. And boom! You are ready to build face detectors, object trackers, or even a virtual calculator that presses buttons with your fingers. And that's how you install OpenCV on Windows and Mac. Fast, simple, and way less scary than it sounds.